Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making a backup of the save you plan to modify. This protects progress if anything breaks. Next, enable script mods and mods in game options, and then restart the game so the new behavior loads. Once done, place the mod files into your mods folder, keeping packages and scripts separated for easier troubleshooting. Make sure to read the mod's install notes. They explain required expansion packs or compatibility patches you'll need before you proceed. You'll now gather the components the mod requires, harvest plants, purchase via the mod's menu, or trade with NPCs depending on its mechanics. Once components are collected, use the mod's designated crafting object or the Sim's inventory crafting option to combine them. Follow on-screen prompts for exact ratios or timers. While crafting, manage your Sim's motives and relevant skills so opportunities don't fail. If a recipe needs repeated tries, experiment with slight variations, and you can use the created items through the Sim's inventory or a context interaction. Observe the effects and durations to plan activities around them. Make sure to manage negative outcomes by scheduling sleep, hygiene, or social recovery to prevent long-term consequences. If things go wrong, crashes, missing interactions, or corrupt saves, first remove recently added mods and test, then revert to your backup save if needed. Make sure to update or reinstall compatible patches before attempting the process again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.